Good evening, I'm Mrs. Storms, and this is the journalism class. If you're at Middle College High School on campus, our classroom is in 304, which is in the village. Just a little bit about me. I have a bachelor's degree in English from UC Irvine, and I obtained my teaching credential from Concordia University. I have a master's in curriculum and instruction from Chapman University. And this is my 24th year teaching in Santa Ana Unified. And I want to say it's my 6th year teaching journalism. You know what happens when you get old? All the years kind of blend together. But I've been doing it for a while now. So if your son or daughter is new to journalism class, I thought I should start by sharing some of the benefits of being in a journalism program. The things that we focus on always involve critical thinking, communication, collaboration, real-world skills. Journalism and the press is a component of our democracy, so it's contributing to our democratic society by being in the journalism class. And we also have to develop our time management skills too. In journalism class, the main expectations are, after we learn the basic skills of journalistic reporting and writing, that students will be writing articles and taking photographs and video and editing, designing, and collaborating with their fellow staff members. We cover school events, we have deadlines for each of our issues, and I do expect students to be consuming the news as well and keeping up to date on things that are happening at a local, national, and global level. Also, professionalism, because being a journalist requires interacting with other students, staff, other people in our community. Just basically what you can do to support your student in any class at Middle College High School is helping them maintain good attendance, communicating with the teachers, and with monitoring grades on ARIES. You can also talk about current events and be informed as a family. This is my email address, although Parent Square is a great new way to communicate with me as well. You can email me. You can send me a message on Parent Square, or you can call the school and I will call you back. Let me show you a couple of things that I think would be of interest to you. The website for our school newspaper is thespellbinder.net, and we haven't published yet this school year. We're working on the first issue right now, but you can see that we're very busy last year, even during the pandemic. We have won quite a few awards. They're behind me on the wall from the platform that we use, which is School Newspapers Online. We've won a number of best of awards over the years, and I think last year we won 6 or 7, which is pretty remarkable considering we were all remote. Another thing to kind of keep you updated about is the use of Canvas, which most teachers are using. Canvas is our learning management system that makes everything accessible online, which is really great. The syllabus for the class is accessible by clicking on the little newspaper that says Good News on the homepage there. Students have already looked through this. This gives more detail on how I'll be structuring the year. And then the modules that we're using, all the resources are located in modules. So for example, this is the week of August 30th through September the 3rd. Just a little preview about what we're doing this week. I've got new students and veteran students. They're working on different things. The new students are getting trained, and the veterans are working on our first issue. All of the training materials for our new students are here in this module. And then we've got the September issue that we have set up as well. I'm excited. We have a lot going on and a lot to cover, a lot in the news. This is just another sneak peek before I wrap up here of like what a daily agenda looks like. So today is Tuesday, August the 31st. And if you were in my class, this is what we would be working on. In September, there is a virtual conference that I'd like students to attend if they can through SoCal Journalism Educators Association. It's usually really great. We hear from professional reporters from the LA Times and New York Times talking about topics that are important to reporters. So lots of opportunities to enrich our minds, participate, and express our voices. I'm excited about this year, and I'm excited for the students that have joined the team. And I hope you have a great evening. Thanks for listening. Bye.